Manual focusing with vintage lenses can be a little hard, but there is a way that it can be a lot easier by using focus peaking and Magnify, and I will show you how to do that. Olympus cameras have a lot of function buttons that can be assigned to a task that you want, and that's the way to do it. You just have to assign focus peaking and Magnify to one of the function buttons, and I will show you how to do that. First you need to go to the menu and you go to the custom menu, which is B. I have a OMD EM5 Mark II with the nice titanium version here. I borrowed it from Olympus, Finland, just for this tutorial. And then when you are at the custom menu B, you press OK, and then button functions. You go to the function, I've programmed it to button function 1. This is where to do it, and press OK, and then button number 2 is for magnifying. And now you have it. And as you can see on the picture here, the focus is in the front element here, or the first cup. But what I wanted to do is to focus on the second one here. And let's see how you do it. First, of course, I can't see anything here. But when I press F1, now you can see you have the yellow focus peaking. There you see it. And now pressing F2, I can magnify and get it even better looking. And now it's pin sharp. And then pressing it again, and if I want to have it off, and then we can take the image. So that's how you do it in Olympus cameras. There is a link in the description of this video to a blog post where I tell how to do it in other Olympus cameras. Thanks for watching, and bye for now!